but you should be able to get the 30 USD welcome bonus, and that will add up sa inyong 10 USD, total of 40 USD. And again, ang minimum lang po na kailangan natin for the deposit is 10 USD. Hi everyone, JohnFDong here. Probably napapanood nyo po sa TikTok about sa mga videos natin sa Web3 and Forex. And yes, tama po yung narinig ninyo. For as low as $10, you get a deposit bonus na 30, which is equivalent total of 40. So, paano nga ba nangyayari to? Tara, let me teach you how you can create your account here at RoboForex. By the way, before we start, make sure na nakafollow po kayo. Lahat po ng links na gagamitin natin in this video ay nandyan po sa description. So please do check them out and sundan nyo lang po yung gagawin natin in order for you to create your account here at RoboForex. Let's proceed. Okay, so yung link po para po dito sa RoboForex members area where you can create an account is nandyan po again sa description. So in here, just click on open an account. Then you should be able to see this screen. So fill upan yung ating email, yung first name, last name, and yung mobile phone number natin. And wag nyo kakalimutan, enter the affiliate code MXLV para magkaroon kayo ng access sa ating Forex private group na nandyan sa ating description. Once done na mag-sign up, you should be able to see the screen. Now, all you need to do is to verify it. Yan, magsasend po yan ng email sa inyong mga email na inilagay dyan sa registration. This is the first email that you will be receiving from RoboForex. So this is the confirmation mail. All you need to do is to click on the link provided dyan. Then, sa Safari tayo nag-open kanina, dun tayo nag-register, so I'll be using Safari. If you see this screen, pinutin nyo lang po ito to redirect doon sa Safari kung saan kayo nag-sign up. Alright? So, we just confirmed our email. Now, for the second email, ito po yung ating successful message na nakuha from RoboForex. So, step 1, natapos na tayo mag-register sa kanilang members area. So, ito yung email and password na provided. Siyempre, binago na natin to. Okay? Now, we have to verify our identity for the step 2. Okay? Paano natin malalaman yan? Let's get back sa Safari. Now, as you can see, meron tayong verify button dito. Pinutin po natin yung verify. Ayan. Okay, so we have to pass everything here from the email verification, the ID passport verification, and yung ating proof of address. Napakadali na naman po nito if you have a valid ID like passport, driver's license, barangay clearance, or kung naman po yung mga supported dito. Again mga dongs, i-prepare ang inyong mga government-issued IDs like the passport, driver's license, or national ID kung meron man po kayo. Then, madali lang po yung process nito. Just make sure lang din na hindi po expired yung mga gagamitin din yung mga IDs. Since the first one is email verification, we have to enter again yung email na nilagay natin kanina doon sa ating pag-sign up. Once na mag-request tayo for confirmation email, ayan, magbibigay siya ng code na kailangan natin ilagay doon sa ating sign-up page. Ayan, ganyan po ang itsura niyan. I-confirm natin. Alright, so we have verified yung ating email address. Next is yung ID, passport, and yung address. For this, actually madali lang din ulit to. You just have to ready your passport or your valid ID. Tapos yung address natin, it could be your proof of billing or your barangay clearance. That will be sufficient. Okay, so ready na ang inyong mga IDs, ready na rin ang inyong mga proof of billing or proof of address. I-scroll down na natin po ito pababa. As you can see, ito po yung nakasulat. To become a verified client, you have to pass the 2 following steps, passport verification and address verification. So, pindutin lang po natin itong pass the verification. Ayan. Tapos, ito na po yung makikita ninyong screen. Okay? So, ito guys, just make sure lang po na hindi kayo nasa United States since hindi po ito pwede sa US. Okay, pinutin natin yung all countries except USA, then agree and continue. Then here, guys, kung meron kayong passport, use that one as your primary document. Yan, pinutin natin. And then ito, ipapakita naman kung paano nyo dapat i-upload ang inyong mga IDs. And for this, hindi ko na ipapakita mga dongs since ito po ay isang sensitive data. Now, probably you're taking some time for the process of verification with your passport and your ID for the proof of address. Now, it's gonna take some time. Just continue. Mabilis lang naman po yan. Now, once you're done, you should be able to see this screen. So, makita nyo guys, ito yung mga steps to complete natin. So, we are actually done with creating the account. Nakapag-deposit na rin tayo actually and na-verify na natin yung ating mga personal data. Okay, so kailangan na lang natin mag-provide ng protection, yung two-factor authentication if you want to enhance the security of your RoboForex account and syempre mag-start ng trades natin dito sa platform na to. Now, paano ba tayo magde-deposit or ano yung mga available options dito sa RoboForex? Okay, let's start first by creating your trading account. So, scroll down lang po natin ito, then pinutin natin yung plus. Alright, this is to add a trading account. So you have three options actually. You have real, demo, and copy FX trader. For this video, let's use real since we want to put real money or real assets dito sa ating Forex trading account. Now, as you can see, meron tayong trading platform. Available dito is yung MetaTrader 4, MT5, and yung R Stocks Trader. Tapos ito, account type. And then, we also have the currency kung anong gusto nyo gamitin. Then, yung leverage natin. Alright, then you can provide your own password, your confirmed password. And again, don't forget to put the affiliate code MXLV para po may access kayo sa ating private Forex group. Now, here's how it looks like once you created your trading account. Let's imagine lang no na wala pang balance to at the moment. So, you just have to click on deposit. Right? Then, mag-redirect po yan dito sa ating deposit funds page. Alright? So, ano ba yung mga options na available dito? As you can see, we have bank cards. We also have e-wallets. Ayan, nandyan yung GCash, CoinsPH, GrabPay, and etc. Now, meron pa tayong iba, like quick payments. If you're into crypto, you can actually use DFinex or Binance Pay. So, sa akin guys, ang ginamit ko is DFinex. Okay? Ang proseso nito is very basic lang. Papakita ko later on. You can also use bank transfer. So, Bank of Philippines yung supported at the moment. And lastly, we have cash and check. And internal transfer para naman ito sa pagta-transfer internally dito sa inyong mga RoboForex accounts. Alright, so punta tayo sa my crypto options since yun ang ating ginamit na pondo na way of depositing our funds. Let's choose quick payments. Now, if you have Binance, you can actually use Binance Pay. But since we are here, in the Philippines, But since Philippines has banned Binance, no, probably yung iba is hindi na nakaka-access sa Binance. So, DFinex yung option na pwede po sa atin. Let's click on continue. This will redirect us doon sa DFinex. So, pindutin natin itong deposit. Okay, so with DFinex, ito po yung 4 major na ginagamit ng mga users when transferring their crypto tokens. So, we have USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. However, pwede pa po kayo pumili ng ibang cryptocurrency na supported basta po nandito sa list. Okay? So, yan po yung kalahatan ng supported tokens or coins dito sa DFinex. But for this, no, I suggest use either USDT or USDC since ito yung pinaka-stable, or kung meron kayong Bitcoin and Ethereum, you may use that. Okay, pindutin natin USDT. Then for the available networks, we have Tron, BNB, Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. Ang pinakamabilis is itong Tron and itong BNB. However, ang pinakamahal for sure is yung Ethereum. Now for this, syempre, ang hanap natin is yung pinakamabilis and yung pinakamura. Let's go with Tron. Then, magge-generate po yan ng ating wallet address. So, sabi sa notes, send only USDT to this deposit address since mawawala po yung isasend ninyong non-USDT tokens if hindi po USDT ang isasend nyo dyan. Also, ensure the network is Tron. Okay, since we selected Tron dito sa network, dapat po Tron network din or manggagaling sa Tron yung ating USDT. And yung minimum deposit po dito is 1 USDT. Alright? So, ikakopy lang natin to. Then, punta tayo doon sa exchange na gagamitin natin. Okay, for this process now, I'll be using Bitget as my exchange kung saan manggagaling yung aking USDT. And gaya na nabanggit natin sa intro, 10 USDT lang po ang kailangan natin as minimum in order for us to get into the $30 bonus. Okay, so punta tayo sa assets. Then, pinutin natin itong withdraw. Then, select natin USDT. Then, click on on-chain withdrawal. Now, as you can see, dito guys, no, halos parehas lang naman yung magiging itsura nito sa ibang mga exchanges. However, iba lang yung format. Let's say, yung iba nauna yung withdrawal address before the withdrawal network. But make sure lang na again, parehas po yan doon sa ating ginamit from the RoboForex. So, since select natin yung network na Tron, punta tayo sa Bitget, silipin natin at palitan natin yung ating network dito. We'll be choosing Tron. Yan. So, again, kopyahin natin yung address. Balik tayo dito. I-paste natin. Allow paste. Now, as you can see, ang minimum withdrawal din dito sa Bitget is 10. So, let's put in 10. However, since may fee na 1 USDT, gawin nating 11. Alright. So, na-cover na niya yung ating fee. Okay? Then, click on withdraw. Tapos, confirm. So, passkey verification for me. Ito ay isang Face ID. Confirm. Okay, so withdrawal order submitted. Balik tayo doon sa RoboForex. Yan. So again, yung minimum deposit naman is 1 USDT. So papasok po yan. Okay? So back to merchant tayo. Now, as you can see, your payment is being processed since na-detect niya na nagkaroon ng transaction. Okay, so pupuntahan na lang natin yung ating trading accounts and hintayin natin na mag-reflect yan doon. Okay, so 112 yung ating current balance. Later, dapat maging 122 po ito to confirm na pumasok po yung ating funds. Now, while we're waiting for the transfer to finish, no, please do take note na 10 USDT lang po yung ating minimum. And with that, you should be eligible para for the Welcome 30 bonus here at RoboForex. Okay, getting back, we saw the payments have been successfully credited dun sa ating RoboForex. And syempre, successful din yung withdrawal natin from Bitget. Okay, let's check. Ayun. So, nag-reflect na po 121 USD dito sa ating trading account. Okay? So, pumasok na po. That's how easy yung ating pag-transfer ng funds para po dito sa RoboForex. And again, for the Welcome 30, since maraming mga nag-sign up dito sa ating link, no, at dito rin sa bahay, hindi tayo eligible. Okay? But for your end, guys, no, dyan sa inyong mga accounts, just go to funds. Tapos pinutin nyo po itong Welcome Bonus 30 USD program. Ayan. Okay. So you should be able to see yes dito. Just make sure that you verify your SMS, your trading account, passport, address, and make sure lang din na walang multiple accounts dyan sa inyong mga servers. Okay? Para maiwasan nyo po itong anti-fraud. Na-claim ko na to doon sa account na isa. But for here, no, hindi natin mapapakita. But you should be able to get the 30 USD welcome bonus and that will add up sa inyong 10 USD, total of 40 USD. And that's it. Ganun lang po kadali gumawa ng account dito sa RoboForex. Again guys, no, para po maiwasan nyo yung anti-fraud na nangyari nung pinakita ko sa inyo, iwasan nyo po na gumawa ng multiple accounts, especially if iisa lang po ang inyong internet servers. Iwasan nyo po yun para po maklaim ninyo yung Welcome 30. And again, ang minimum lang po na kailangan natin for the deposit is 10 USD. So, paano naman tayo makapag-start ng trading natin here at RoboForex? Well, abangan nyo po sa next video natin. Pag-uusapan po natin yan on how you can start your trades here at RoboForex. All for now mga dongs. Again, panoorin nyo po yung ating series of videos na ina-upload doon sa ating TikTok, especially about Forex. And abangan nyo rin yung mga i-upload nating videos about sa RoboForex. Gagawa tayo ng manual trades, copy trades, and even dun sa demo, gagawa tayo ng demo account din guys para po aware kayo na pwede rin tayo magkaroon, no, as we do the demo trading dahil po may mga competitions and more of that info sa susunod nating videos. Yun lang muna for now. If you find this video helpful, hit that thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or requests, please do leave it down there in the comment section below. And of course, i-follow nyo po yung ating mga social media accounts at JFDong sa ating TikTok and at JohnFDong naman on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and on X. And since nandito na rin lang kayo, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever na meron tayong bagong upload dito sa ating YouTube channel.
Uy, nandiyan ka pa pala. Kung gusto mo pa manood ng mga videos natin dito sa ating channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung ating mga playlists. Andyan po lahat yan, naka-ready na po para po iisang topic lang, hindi po ay maligaw-ligaw dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa mga videos natin and see you soon sa ating mga videos.